A group of researchers have identified several new species of sunbirds, whose range spans from Africa in the west and Australia in the east, in the tropical Wakatobi Islands in central Indonesia. The paper, published October 25 by scientists from Ireland and Indonesia, has described the physical and genetic distinctness of the Wakatobi sunbird, Cinyras infranatus, from other known populations. They also found evidence that could split up the more widespread species of the olive-backed and black sunbirds, C. jugularis and Leptocoma aspasia. They also found evidence that could divide the more widespread species of the olive-backed and black sunbirds, Cinyras jugularis and Leptocoma aspasia. The tiny archipelago is also part of the Wallacea region that many scientists consider a living laboratory for the study of evolution, with endemic species being newly identified to science in recent years. The researchers collected sample birds on expeditions between 1999 and 2017 across southeast Sulawesi, the land bridge islands off its coast, Menui and the Wakatobi Islands. They then examined the birds' physical features such as wing, bill, body mass, and their songs. They also analyzed the collected DNA from feathers and tissues and compared them with each sample and those of other sunbird populations. They found that the Wakatobi sunbird had genetic divergence, shorter wings, a shorter bill and longer tarsi than the Sahol sunbird, C. clementiae, as well as exhibited slower and higher-pitched calls over a smaller bandwidth. The Wakatobi sunbird is categorically put by the researchers as the fourth subspecies under the olive-backed sunbird. As the name suggests, the Wakatobi sunbird is restricted to the tiny Wakatobi Islands, off the southeastern coast of the larger Sulawesi. The authors noted that small, isolated islands like Wakatobi had their own evolutionary processes, and they often produced unique species, as in the famous case of the Galapagos. In addition to the distinctive nature of the Wakatobi lineage, their work supported the split populations from Sulawesi to the Sahol Shelf, with the Solomon Islands recognized as a species-level taxon, Sahol sunbird, C. clementiae, the Sunda Shelf populations becoming ornate sunbird, C. ornatus, and the Philippine birds retaining the C. jugularis name and taking garden sunbird as a common name. The sunbirds, Nectariniidae, are a family of small passerines with many exhibiting strikingly colorful plumage, which typically indicates their diversity. The researchers noted that sunbirds had been admired by naturalists and artists for centuries, with depictions of the olive-backed sunbird in reliefs on Java's Borobudur temple, dating back to as early as the 8th century CE, their search for nectar representing the Buddhist quest for enlightenment. Omar K. also noted that the Palestine sunbird, C. osea, was used as a symbol of the Palestinian fight for liberation, while many sunbird species found in Africa were considered important pollinators. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more.